How to manage project files in Audiate. First of all, create a dedicated folder for each project on your computer to store all related files. This will prevent confusion and make it easier to locate your work later. Next, when you start a project in Audiate, save the project file immediately inside that folder. Audiate saves your edits separately from the original audio, so keeping everything in one place helps maintain order. Also, make sure to name your files clearly. Use descriptive names that include the date or version number to avoid overwriting important work accidentally. Audiate allows you to export multiple audio clips, so after finishing your edits, export them into subfolders within your main project folder. This keeps your final file separated from the working files. Another useful tip is to regularly back up your entire project folder to an external drive or cloud storage. This protects your files in case something goes wrong with your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to manage project files in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.